Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the SanDisk Ultra Eco. And this particular pen drive is made from 70% of the recycled plastic, and this is 3.2 Gen USB pen drive, and the regular pen drive. You can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And I got the 128 GB variant of this particular pen drive, which is like amazing. And let me show you how this looks. And this just reminds me of this color kind, bottle green, guys. And this is one of the best looking pen drive in my opinion. Also, if you like this kind of video, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And looking at this particular pen drive, guys, it have this amazing color scheme, like almost like sea green kind of color. And the body is translucent. Even the inside part, that is plastic, sometimes it is blue, here it is green. And I mean, SanDisk have gone just bonkers when it comes to these colors. And those who are worried about the make, guys, this is made in Malaysia. And if you see, there are a couple of logos which are new, which does not get on other pen drives. And the front and back is something like a frosted glass, I mean the frosted plastic. And if you see closely enough, the rail is glossy plastic. And I mean, this is one of the best looking pen drive, guys. You all can check out the link in the description if you all want to buy this from Amazon. And I tried to squeeze it, guys, and I mean, the build quality is just amazing. It is well built pen drive, and even there is no creaks and spurts for the body also. And I think this just, I mean, it looks like this awesome material, which 70% of is made from the recycled plastic. And I think SanDisk have done a really great job when it comes to the quality of it. Let me just quickly do a speed test, guys. So I have connected it to the D drive over here, and I'm running Crystal Dismark. And let me just find out what is the actual speed. By the way, I'm not going to fast forward this particular test, just so that you'll get sort of a rough figure how much time it takes to do that particular test. And I've been doing lot many tests, guys, with the speed of SanDisk and other pen drives also. And by the way, SanDisk is not sponsoring me. I just purchased this with my own money. So if you really are looking for something like an honest review, then this is it, guys. And please stay till the end of this particular video, because I am going to give you a verdict whether to buy this particular pen drive or just skip it. So in my case, guys, previously which I had tested, I think dual drive lux was one of the benchmark. I think that another pen drive which I have tested of the dual drive lux, that is like made in China, is yet to come. So please subscribe to this particular channel, because in the future I'll be posting maybe sort of even comparison with the dual drive lux and this particular pen drive. And I think SanDisk is doing amazing when it comes to the build quality recently, because other manufacturers are also providing metallic build, but what SanDisk provide, like the speed, etc., is no match. And I know there are certain manufacturers which are exceeding even the speed of something like the dual drive lux. But in my case, guys, SanDisk for that particular price range offers features which no other pen drive offers, especially the metallic build, or something like this kind of recycled material, which is very good for the environment. And I think this is the right step, because we are generating a lot of e-waste. And especially just to cut down this particular e-waste, and this have taken a very great step in using recycled plastic for their body. I think this is one of the best looking pen drive in my opinion from SanDisk. I know there are metal pen drives, but this is like the benchmark in terms of pen drives, in my opinion, guys. Again, this is what I think, and let me know in the comments below what you think, which is the best pen drive according to you all. And do you even consider buying SanDisk in the first place for its looks, or just because of its performance perspective? And as you can see over here, the read speed, maximum read speed is around 113.23 mbps. And it's good, guys. Anything which is having a speed above 100 is considered as fast in my books. And I'd been recently testing other hard disks also, so I'll be doing a lot many reviews, because most of the people, they buy pen drives just by looking the spec, like Gen 3.1, USB 3.1 Gen 1 and all. And once they are looking at these particular specs, they actually don't know whether what manufacturer are putting is correct or not. And if you see over here guys, the write speed is quite good also, because if you are using this with the USB 3.2, the speeds are kind of okay, but this is not the fastest guys. Again, don't get me wrong, there are pen drives which performs faster for this, but for the price which I'm getting over here is amazing. So you all can check out the link in the description if you all want to buy this particular pen drive. So this is close to like 59.33 is like close to like 60 mbps, and 60 mbps write speed is quite a good write speed, I would say. And there are pen drive which exceed even 100 and all. So that I'll be covering in my next review in the future. And let me know in the comments below if there is any other pen drive you all are thinking of purchasing, and if you all want me to do a review, maybe I'll just have to purchase the same particular pen drive and do a review of that same like the speed test, etc. So here is why the speed test is important. I know most of the people are saying it is ridiculous and you are not never going to use your pen drive at 100% potential, and the files also varies guys. You are absolutely true. And when it comes to the drive speed, here is a reason why I consider the drive speed, because most of the pen drive, they are having identical price and identical sort of specs when it comes to metal or plastic, etc. And I think the only differentiating factor between two 3.2 USB 3.2 pen drive is just the speed guys. And once you have a better write speed, I think you are going to consume less time, and in that particular less time, the pen drive is going to be used less. So that is one of the reason. Like for example, if you are plugging in a pen drive for like 1 hour to copy like 4 GB file, and consider another pen drive which is like taking around something like 20 minutes to copy that same file, so you will be unplugging it sooner, and definitely it is going to pass lot less current to that particular pen drive for that amount of time. So the longevity of the drives increases. This is just my opinion. Again guys, if given a choice between a plastic and a metal pen drive, please try to prioritize something like a metal pen drive, because they are going to get heated fast, but as soon as your copying is done or the write process or read process is done, it is going to cool much more faster. Okay, coming back to this guys, the read write speed is amazing, which is 113 for the read speed, and around I'll consider is as 60 mbps for the write. And this particular pen drive is I think one of the greatest pen drives you all can buy. So without doubt guys, just go for this particular pen drives, because this is amazing. And even especially if you see the bottle green color of this particular pen drive, and especially the body like frosted glass, my goodness guys, this is one of the best looking pen drives which available in the market. So I highly recommend getting this particular pen drive, the Ultra Eco. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular color. And I thought of doing something like a green kind of a theme, that's why I'm wearing a matching color t-shirt for this particular video. And I think the SanDisk have really done a great job when it comes to the performance of this pen drive, and especially the SSD guys. I mean, it is one of the best looking pen drive, and it really makes a very good style statement once you start using this. And with this guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel, and also do check out these awesome videos which we have it. And let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular pen drive, the SanDisk Ultra Eco. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.